So you want to make a website, but you have no idea how. We're going to start at the very beginning by learning Hypertext Markup Language, which is more commonly known as HTML. As we move along our learning, we'll get into the full technical details of HTML and build some simple web pages. Part of what makes web design and development so fun when compared to other forms of software development is that you can instantly see the results of your efforts. Even if you've never made a website before, I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised by how easy it is to make your content appear inside of a web browser. HTML forms the foundation of nearly every website, no matter how big or small. So by the time you finish learning about HTML, you'll be ready to move on to other technologies like CSS, JavaScript, and much more. As we'll learn, there's no individual technology or language that enables the creation of modern websites and web applications. Rather, it is a broad collection of technologies that gives us the pieces we need to complete the puzzle. If none of what I said makes any sense to you right now, don't worry. We're going to take things one step at a time. After this video, we'll get into a more formal introduction to HTML as a language, but first, let's just dive right in and create our first web page, step by step. To create a website, all we need is a text editor and a web browser. Let's start out with the text editor first. A text editor is simply a program that is capable of creating or modifying plain text files, and every computer comes with a text editor built right in. If you're using Windows, we'll start out by using Notepad. If you're on a Mac, you can use TextEdit in your Applications folder. However, be careful because a more advanced word processing application like Microsoft Word or Pages on the Mac will oftentimes provide additional styling rules and metadata that are hidden from your view. This won't work for our HTML page, so make sure that you're using a basic text editor. Like I said, TextEdit on the Mac or Notepad on Windows will work just fine for now. Once you have your text editor open, simply type in some text